There we go, cool. Alright, hey everyone, this is Angie, and today I just wanted to really sit with you and talk about the importance of collecting and analyzing your data. For whatever project you're working on, you're selling handmade jewelry, you are trying to build a website and build clientele, or you're doing online videos, you are doing gaming videos. There's a number of things that you're doing that are either getting you towards your professional goals or are your professional outlet, or it's a hobby and you want it to grow into a side hustle. I'm a bit mellowed out. It has been a bit of a crazy past few days. I have family visiting. I've got this cute little cousin of mine, but she's a new baby, a new human, and she acts, or like I act more like her aunt. And so anyways, but I wanted to take a moment and tell you and walk you through how you can do this and take advantage of it, because there's a pair of brilliant women. I spent 1 hour with them and I learned so much and gained so much knowledge from spending that hour with them over coffee. And I was writing down things saying like, I really need to revisit all of the wealth of the information that you're sharing with me right now. And what they specialize in is a group or a collective called the Virtual Collective, which is an online project management company where you can approach them with your project, with your ideas, your concepts, and they'll execute it and provide you with your end product, walk you through the whole way. And they vetted their freelancers so that they're building an online team of people who are excelling at what they do and lowering the cost of maintaining the project. So a branch off of the Virtual Collective was this effort called Her Data Method. And this was funded by like a Kickstarter, GoFundMe kind of project called I Fund Women. And I'm going to recommend that you check that out if you have something that needs to be funded that is going to be in support of women-led projects, or I'd have to look into it a little bit more, but for having people rally around a concept that's going to empower women, that's either led by a woman who wants to be empowered to build her project, etc. Those are going to be highly effective for you to look at. Anyways, I don't know if you can tell, but I really am just sitting down. I turned the camera on and I knew that this is something I wanted to share. It's not highly scripted content here, but I do want to mention fundwomen.com and Virtual Collective with a branch of Her Data Method. And so I was thinking, you know, I went to and treated myself, even though I was being so good. I wasn't buying much the beginning of this month, September, but I went and got these freaking cute Key, Australia, Quay is how it's spelled, but I think it's pronounced Key. Sunglasses from Nordstrom. I was going in there, I should have known better. I was like, well, I'm already in this area for an eye exam. Let me stop by and have fun and try some new styles. So I haven't bought clothes in a couple months, a few months. I think I've been rather good, maybe 2 or 3 months. I don't know if that's something to be proud of, but I am personally proud of my the things that I've spent on myself. Anyway, so I got these and I thought they were great, like the cutest little things. I got this glare going on, but I love the shape. The fit is really comfortable and I thought they were really stylish. So I dropped $60 on these glasses. Like $55 is the ticket price, but then add tax and stuff, so it was ending up around $60–70. So I have a relationship and a partnership with these women at Her Data Method to have purchased an online course, an e-course that they've set up just for women on how to take advantage of the data and make sense of that and be able to apply it to their business, versus just collecting it, checking in once in a while, and not really knowing how to parse that data and apply that to your business model. So that class with my relationship would have been $70, $90, and they have a discount right now where it's just $100 for anyone before October 31st. So you can go to herdatamethod.com and be able to find that deal and learn more about the program. And it's been on my list. I knew that I'd learned so much that within an hour, if I had took just part of, if I can get that and expand it and take part of their class or just build over time and continue going through the course, that my projects would be so much more elevated for my efforts there. And so looking at something under $100 or about $100, at least before October 31st, it's like feeling a little bit disappointed in myself that I was able to treat myself to something cosmetic, something, I mean, sure, it protects my eyes, but I could have gotten that from other glasses that I had, or from a let's see, $5 pair of glasses at Close Mentor or something like that. But look at putting that $20, then some odd $60, $70 towards something that's going to really make my business grow, that I would be able to learn so much more, and maybe people would be coming to me about data. And I have done data analytics. It's not really anything fancy. You learn a method, you apply it, you practice it, and you repeat. But I've not been able to go through these steps for my own business. And I think that taking the time to invest in this course and participate would really get me there. And I don't know how many other ways I can say it. It's just putting in the time and money into yourself, into your business, not talking about, I'm going to treat myself, I'm going to do my hair, I'm going to buy makeup and clothes and sunglasses. You know, it really does take some sacrifice. You're putting in the time, but you can make that time that you have, those few hours a week that you're putting towards yourself, your personal brand, your business, your side hustle, and make that much more of a difference if you can invest that time in a way that is maximized, that makes sense. Because otherwise, I saw one quote, it was plastered somewhere, and it said, data is not the destination, it's part of the journey. And it means that when you're going to be looking at the analytics, you need to make sense of it and make decisions from that and make fruitful decisions. And it's not really the end game. It's like, well, I've collected this data, what do I do? And that's all I wanted to share with you today. I was thinking about walking you through a screen share, but honestly, I have been really worn out. I have coffee on the pot and it's still 7, so I am going to go enjoy that, get caught up on some work because I've been slacking very much so. And afterwards, I hope that maybe I'll share some of the highlights from this journey and point you guys to the process. It's all online. You can take it and you take the classes as you go at your own pace. One thing that I've recommended one of my clients who's not too eager to do this but knows that it's something that should be done, it's like, well, how can I really analyze the data if I haven't seriously launched any type of campaign? Well, you don't have to worry about that. Jump onto this, you can buy it and just have the class ready. And what it will also do is set you up for success at the very beginning, help you go through value propositions, look at the type of users, the type of customers that you'll be building and what your brand is, what value you add, and then going through this class will really help support those ideas. There's Linda, but these ladies, I gotta say, they really know what they're doing, and having a path for women, for small business owners, for established business owners, going through a data class, that's just like a package that doesn't exist anywhere else. Okay, I will leave the links and the things I mentioned in the description box below, and I really hope that you take a look and let me know what you think. All right, have a great week, and I will see you next Tech Tuesday. Bye.